You might have heard of the amazing weight loss benefits of cumin, cinnamon, and ginger tea. Besides being a great beverage for immunity, this drink may also aid metabolism and help you shed some extra kilos. Let's look at each ingredient in more detail. Cumin seeds, or jeera water. A commonly used spice in almost every Indian dish, jeera, or cumin, is rich in antioxidants and helps flush out toxins from our body and protect it from inflammation and free radical damage. It also aids digestion, metabolism, and overall gut health that accelerate fat-burning process and strengthen immunity. The spice secretes enzymes, which helps to break down sugars, fats, and carbohydrates in the body and keeps the gut healthy. Jeera water is also extremely low in calories. Cumin water helps to suppress the hunger and craving for processed foods. Drinking a glass of jeera water will keep you fuller for a longer period. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been prized in traditional medical practice for centuries. Alongside adding a strong flavor to the dishes, cinnamon is known for its health-benefiting properties that aid weight loss, help manage diabetes, and boost immunity. Ginger. Ginger has an active component referred to as gingerol that has many science-backed properties. These properties make ginger great for fighting inflammation, aiding digestion, metabolism, weight loss, and promoting immunity. So if you're itching to give this tonic a try, here's how to make cumin, cinnamon, ginger tea. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder, ½ inch of ginger, 1 cup of water. Next, soak the 3 ingredients in water overnight. Then boil it well the next morning on medium flame and strain and drink. You may also add some lemon and honey if you wish to sweeten the taste. Drink this herbal concoction in the morning and give a healthy start to the day. If you really want to accelerate your weight loss process, try to drink jeera water 3 times a day. First cup in the morning on an empty stomach, second cup before lunch, third cup after dinner. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 6 health benefits of baking soda and apple cider vinegar tonic drink.